everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl eddyjsmith here. Today we're going to be doing some lip swatches. Are you guys excited? Are you ready? We're going to be playing with Mary Kay's new limited edition Ultra Stay Lip Lacquer Kits, and I have all three colors and we're going to be trying them out today. So Mary Kay came out with new products for the holiday, and I'm going to post pictures of those products just so you see what they have. And this is the new lookbook that they came out with all the products on top. And yeah, it's holiday season, so there's a bunch of fun products in here. So this is the time to definitely start getting your Christmas list together, get your Christmas shopping done. So you definitely want to contact your local beauty consultant. She has awesome gifts for you. If you don't have a beauty consultant, you're more than welcome to, leave me a comment and I will reach out to you and get your wish list going, because Mary Kay does have awesome products for the holiday. So what we're going to be demoing today are the Mary Kay limited edition Ultra Stay Lip Lacquer Kits, and they come in 3 shades, and we have rose, cherry, and plum. And this kit has 3 products in the box, and you get a lacquer, a sealer, and an eraser, which is what you're going to need to take the lip product off. So the lip lacquer retails for $39. And they also came out with the new limited edition Mary Kay Mad About Masking Mask Pod gift sets. This is a great set for gift giving. It's a great set for the holiday. And the mask pod gift set retails for $25, which I think is super affordable. And they also came out with the new limited edition Cityscape Silken Dry Oil, which retails for $20. And they also came out with the Mary Kay Fragrance Travel Spray sizes, which are $22 each. And those include the Cityscape Perfume, Live Fearlessly, and Forever Diamonds. Mary Kay also came out with limited edition Be Delighted Body Mousse, and it retails for $16. And let me tell you guys, that mousse is delicious, okay? It smells so good. And they also came out with gift boxes for the holidays, so you can also order your holiday products and get these beautiful boxes which come in 3 different sizes from your beauty consultant. So yeah, those are the products, but today we are going to be trying the Ultra Stay Lip Lacquer Kits, and I am so excited. So the first thing you definitely want to do before you put on a product like this is you definitely want to exfoliate your lips. All right, exfoliation is key, it's very important, and Mary Kay has a great product for exfoliation, which is our Mary Kay Satin Lips. You definitely want to use a Sheer Sugar Scrub, which I already did before I started this video. So my lips are already exfoliated and ready to go. So this is what the Sheer Scrub looks like. So you definitely want to exfoliate with that, but do not put on the lip balm or any lip gloss or any kind of thing on your lips before you apply your lip kit. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is Rose. So I have tried this product. This isn't a first impression. The only color I think I haven't tried is the plum, which I'm excited to try. But I have one rose and I have one cherry, and they are just beautiful colors and I love them. So we're going to start with rose. Now rose is a great color. It's a color that I think is absolutely great for everyday wear. It's a great color to wear to work. It's like a nice rose pink color. So when applying this product, like I said, make sure you don't have any lip gloss on. Go over it first with the product, let it dry. Then you can go over with another layer to build. And then when you're done and set, then we're going to go over with a sealer. Did you guys see that? That's a very pretty color. Okay, if you can, keep your lips separate. Don't smush them together. So I will tell you that it does dry down pretty quick. My tip when you applying this product is don't go like back and forth because it dries so fast. Try and get a clean swipe if you can, then go with a second layer. So I'm gonna go to second layer. Now that it's dry, I'm gonna go with my lip lacquer sealer. All right, this is the product that's gonna go over the lip lacquer and it's gonna seal it in place and lock it down. And it also leaves a very nice like glossy look, which I love. Oh, and do you see that shine? So pretty. And there is no transfer on the wand. So pretty, you guys. Do you see why I say this color is just gorgeous? It's very daytime friendly, very work friendly, even nighttime if you want, with a bold eye look. Do you guys see how cute that is? It's just beautiful. That is rose, and rose is just gorgeous, and I love it. I love it. Get your hands on this product, ladies. Contact your local beauty consultant and shop for Rose. Listen, it's the cutest thing ever. Like, it is food proof, kiss proof, transfer proof. What's not to love? These make great stocking stuffers or even just gifts, okay? So that's Rose, and I'm obsessed with it. I love it. So that's the product on, and now I'm gonna test and show you guys, see if it comes off. So just to show you guys that it doesn't transfer. See? Nothing. Nothing. The shine you're seeing there is the glossiness from the sealer. But let's do a tissue test, okay? And here's a nice white tissue. I'm gonna try and smudge it. Nothing. Clean, white, no transfer. Get your hand on this product. So now let's take the color off, okay? And I'm gonna show you guys how to do that. This is the lip eraser. So all you need to do is just take that, all right, with the wand, and just apply over the lip product. Just help the product break down. So just smushing together. Do you see it's already coming off? All right, and now you see the product coming off. So that's how you take it off with the lip eraser. Now, depending on how many layers you put on, you might need to go with the eraser more than once, which is fine. Because if you did build it, you know, you're gonna need to go over at least twice too. Okay, so next I'm gonna go in with Plum. Now this shade I haven't tried, so I'm excited. Okay. I'm gonna go with a second layer. And now we're going to seal. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous. That is Plum, you guys. Wow. Plum is really good. Plum is really pretty. So pretty. It's so beautiful. It's very fall. I love it. Wow. Wow. Yes, honey, yes. Okay, guys, so next up is Cherry, which is a beautiful, bright, like red lip color. And I love this color. You guys know I'm obsessed with red. So let's put Cherry on. This is a perfect color for the holidays. So now I'm gonna go with the lip sealer. So that's Cherry, you guys. It is so pretty. I really love it. You guys know I'm obsessed with red, right? You know I'm obsessed with red. Red, 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 red. So anyway, that's the third and final swatch of the lip kit products that Mary Kay launched. Let me know your thoughts on these products. I absolutely love them. I definitely think these are worth getting for the holiday season, and you know, great gift to give to your loved ones. I think they are fabulous. Look how glossy, how beautiful. You can eat with this, it's not gonna come off. You can kiss with this, it's not gonna rub off. It's not gonna stain your man's shirt. And you know, great gift to give to your loved ones. These colors are fabulous, and Mary Kay definitely did an awesome job, and I absolutely love them. My tips for this product is just make sure your lips are exfoliated before you put them on. You don't want to have, you know, dry, flaky, cracky lips and then go over with this product. It's not gonna look pretty. And make sure you use the Satin Lips Sheer Sugar Scrub before you put this on. Do not put any balm, any lip gloss, any other product on. It doesn't need anything. All it needs is the lacquer and the sealer, and you're good to go. So when you do put this on, you know, especially for the first time, you are going to notice, you know, it has a bit of a cooling sensation. For some people, they say it's even a tingling. That is absolutely normal. You will feel something on your lips when you put it on. You know, you're going to feel it, and that's absolutely fine. That is it, you guys. That is it for this video today. Let me know what you think about these three colors. If you've tried these colors already, ladies, let me know which one's your favorite. Let me know how they wear on you. I personally am loving all three shades, okay? I'm loving all three shades. I absolutely love them. I've tried them before. I've worn them to work. I've eaten with them. I've drank water, and they do stay on for me. So that is it, you guys. Thank you for joining me today. If you haven't done so, please give this video a thumbs up, and of course subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell button at the corner so you get notified every time I upload. And please share this content. Sharing is caring, sharing is love, sharing is free, and it definitely supports my channel. So thank you guys so much, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.